Okay, we got a nice 57 Chevy here in Mellow yellow. It's a small block, modern one with a aluminum radiator and air conditioning, probably from Vintage Air, dual master cylinder, MSD ignition, and it's got a yellow and black interior, which is a nice touch. Chevy emblems up on the headrest in the back seat. Got a Chevy pillow. It's an automatic. Looks like it's a 4-speed automatic, probably 700 RPM. And look how the gauges are molded in on the top of the dash. It's really cool. Got the Chevy emblem over there on the right-hand side over the over the glove box. So this car's got a lot of little chrome. The chrome on the dash wasn't stock. So this car's got a lot of work done to it. Of course, you fill it up right there, and that opens up. And you got your Geezer's Hot Rod Non-Club. That's Hot Rod Non. Lost in the 50s, cruising. Got the fire extinguisher. You know, we used to always say when you start the engine, you have to do some work. Even if you just put spark plugs in it. When you go to start it, stand back and watch out for flames. And sometimes that literally was true. I remember my cousin's hair got caught on fire once. It was fucking wild, a little bit. And got the Chevy emblem tailpipes. So. Anyway, you know, those two bullet things up on the front there, I don't know what you call them that, they're up on the hood, look really cool, you know. This was a really high-end styling touch from the early 50s to the mid-50s. Ford was ahead of its time back in the early 50s. Chevy was bland in the early 50s, and then the mid-50s they caught up. So, they really caught up. And this is like the whole 9 yards, the bumper guards and all that stuff in the front. See them? Rubber tips on them.